Ma'am Charina, good morning po! Naku, ay huwag na po kayo lumapit po sa akin kasi makamandag po yung aking hininga kapag
I know. Kahit dito na-aamoy ko na. You know, I've been trying to call you. Hindi ka sumasagot.
Ay, naku, pasensya na eh. Medyo naparami ko kasi ino namin kagabi. Nag-celebrate po kami. Ba't po ba kayo napadaan?
Well, I just want to tell you that Jaime called me up and he wants me to be the collaborator for his new collection.
Mabuti ho. Nakukunin niyo ho yun, ma'am. Maganda ho yun. Parang nagpapaalam po kayo sa akin.
No, I'm not asking for your permission, Andy. I told him I was going to call him back. Tapos, naisip kita. I want you to be the collaborator for his new collection. Andy, hello, we're talking here. I want you to be the collaborator for his new collection.
Ma'am, bakit po ako? Hindi po ba kayo yung gusto niya? Tsaka parang ang epal ko naman po yata.
I'm off to Paris to study millinery. I can't commit, but I can recommend a new designer and I know he'll take my word for it. And he needs new blood for his business para umangat ulit sila. You get it?
Ma'am, pwede po bang huwag na lang? Hindi ko ako ang mapapaangat ng kumpanya nila.
You'll never know. Besides, this is your time to give back.
Give back? Paano po?
Well, what I mean is, Andy, pag-isipan mo muna kakatuhan kayo. Okay, I need your confirmation later.
Ho? Agad-agad ho? Hindi po ba pwede ipagpabukas?
No. This is urgent. And besides, I'm sure that Jaime will be happy to see you working with him. At sigurado ako, magkakasundo kayo.
Alam mo kasi dapat tumanggi ka dun sa gusto ni Ma'am Charina eh.
Ano? Uy, friendship, sayang naman yung opportunity. Ang laking brand kaya nung Icon Clothing, tsaka nandun ka naman eh.
Oo, nandun nga ako pero makakasama pa rin naman niya si Sir Jaime.
Uy, ano, choosy ka pa ah?
Eh, baka ma-chismis na naman silang dalawa ni Sir Jaime. Away na naman siya ng mga tao.
Dead man na sa mga issues. Matagal na yun eh. Ano? Lumang issue o career growth? Saan ka?
Oh, saan ka? Mamili ka, Andrea.
Grabe naman kayo mga friendships. Ang harsh nyo naman sa akin. Hindi to basta pipili ako ng damit na isusuot ko, no? Pa rin pag-isipan ng mabuti.